Make sure you stay until the end. We'll share common mistakes people make that can actually destroy your engine, and you may end up spending thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have any of the following two codes, I'm talking about code P0122 or code P0123. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it, common mistakes people make that can cost you practically your engine. You may need the engine replaced if you don't fix it right. And also guys, we'll explain how we can test the sensors that are causing these codes as well. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So with that being said, we have guys right here Dodge Challenger 2018. Whether you have a V6, V8, the procedure is about the same. We'll be demonstrating on a V6 engine what can easily cause these codes P0122 and code P0123. So this is the upper engine cover. We have everything pretty loose in here. You can see this is a V engine. Whether you have a V8 or a V6, the only difference will be practically we have an extra cylinder. So it's not so much guys, okay, different especially for those two codes. Now before we start guys, okay, let me share something with you. Many of you have been asking us to share information about diagnostic tool that we use, what we recommend. This is the tool right here. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off practically in one-time use. It works on Hyundai, Kia, Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, Alfa Romeo guys, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, BMWs, Porsches. We use it on multiple things, and that too can pay itself off in one-time use. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. But it can access every computer system in your car. It can read the lead code, see live data guys, and on these modern cars sometimes you may end up having even 50 computing systems in your car. So it's a must do guys if you're fixing your vehicle, and instead of going to the dealership, it can pay itself off in one-time use. So code P0122 and code P0123. This is your engine. This is the upper intake manifold. This is the fuel injectors. It gets its air and fuel from here, but before that you have one device which is known as a throttle body. This is guys the throttle body. Okay, let me see if I can position it right here. The throttle body will open and close to allow air to get in the engine. Then it will get its fuel from there and it will generate power. Also the function of the throttle body is to keep the RPM steady at idle, to make the car responsive. You have an electronic pedal which will send the signal to the throttle body, which has electric motor, and it will, when you push the gas pedal, it will open that flap to get air depending on how much you pushed it, so your car can move. Now if you have these codes, what to look for guys? In common mistake we'll say that we'll tell you that people make and that can destroy your engine. Number one, inspect that connector right here. That's the number one thing that we see guys. Connector that's loose, not plugged in, and that red safety clip not pushed all the way in, that can cause that code. Number two, inspect for contamination in the plug. Make sure the wires are clean, you don't have any oil leaks, dirt, dust, or anybody didn't wash the car with a power washer and water got inside and corroded. Okay, so make sure the connectors are good. Another thing, inspect the wires on the back. People will grab the connector and pull for the wires. That can pull the wires out of the connector and they may not be communicating correctly. You may end up having that code, one of those codes P0122 or code P0123. Something else after that. Okay, it could be something completely different. It could be failing throttle body. Usually in the throttle body you have two sensors guys that detect the position of the flap, okay, and these codes relate to actually throttle position sensor A. So failing throttle body can cause that code as well. We'll have a video on the channel how to test throttle body, okay, how to test throttle body. It will teach you how to do that. Check it out. We'll be making video on a Dodge, we have on other cars as well. And in some cases, guys, we've seen it where, okay, a throttle body is controlled by the throttle pedal right here. That's your throttle pedal right there. So that throttle pedal, guys, okay, sends the signal. If the pedal is disconnected or if you have fault in it, it can cause problems as well. So if you have these codes, I recommend to test throttle body, test the throttle pedal, okay, check the wiring harness, and then most likely replace the throttle body. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.